Now let's do this question. It's my third video I made today. You can see it's high level question and then it's a minimum insertion step to make a string palindrome. So given a string S, in one step you can insert any character at any index of the string. Return minimum number of steps to make as palindrome. The palindrome string is one that read the same backward as well as forward. So now you can see we have three example here. And then because you can see in the first example here already palindrome, right? So we don't need to insert any character to make as palindrome because the original string is palindrome. Now come to here. So here we need to insert two character to make as palindrome. So actually in this one, the question we can use dynamic programming is really classic question using dynamic programming to approach. Now you can see here. So doing this question, we know using the dynamic programming we have two strings. So actually we need to reverse this one. We need to reverse this one. It becomes DABM. So now when we get the two string, we need to count. We need to find the length of the longest common subsequence in both string. So now we know M. Need three character present both string, right? Now here when we get this longest common subsequent string, now the second step we need to get the length. We know original length is 5, so 5 minus 3. 3 is from the longest common subsequent string, and then we got the 2, right? So actually here we just insert two character to original string. So now you can see here, right? That's why here I'll put the 2. So now the problem only is how to find the length of the longest common subsequent string. So here I draw a table. So here this one is the original string, and this one is the reverse string. Now the first column and the first row should be 0. Now let's do it here. I remember so many questions like this one, right? To find the longest common subsequence. I remember so many questions like this one. So I would say if you already did this kind of question before, and then you do this question, I think it's very simple and easy to understand. So I just walk you through the table. Now here we need to start from this row, right? Now we need to find, okay, the M equal to the M or not. Yes, right? So here we need to put the 1. We need to get the here and the plus 1. And then we add, we got the sum and then put in here. So let's write here is 1. And then now M comparing to the B, not equal, right? So if not equal, so we have two options. It's the left cell of the current character over the above cell. So we need to pick a maximum. We pick a bigger number. So which one is bigger? It's 1, right? So now we just pick the bigger one number here. Now come to here. We do the same thing. We need to comparing these two characters. So now we know the M not equal to A, right? So now do the same thing. We need to pick which number is bigger. It definitely 1, right? Same thing here. D not equal to M, right? So we also pick bigger one. Here also we need to fill 1. So oh no, here not, yeah, here actually also is 1, but M equal to M, right? Now we here in this cell we need to pick the 1. we need to pick the 1, but you can see here is 0, right? The 0 plus 1, okay, now we got 1, so here we need to put 1 here. Now we come to second row, so now D is not equal to M, right? So now we need to pick a bigger number. So which one is bigger? Definitely 1, right? Now let me 1. Now D not equal to B, right? So here we need to pick the bigger number is the right cell of current cell or above cell. Now we can see here is 1 because they are equal, right? They are both 1. Now D comparing A, okay, not equal, right? So we pick a bigger one. Which one's bigger? It's same, right? Now D, okay, now both characters are same. So now here we need to pick this one. If the two characters same, we need to pick the number from the diagonal cell from here, right? We need to pick here. Now we know here is 0, right? It's 0, which means so it's not 0, it's 1. It's 1 plus 1. And then we got the 2. It's 2 here. Now coming to the last character. So D not equal to M, right? Now we need to, oh, sorry. Now we need to pick a bigger one, right? Which one is bigger? Definitely 2, right? So now here we need to pick 2. So for currently, the longest common subsequence is 2 because M 2. Because in this string, M occur 2 times, D occur 1 time, right? In this original string. Now come to the third character. Now A, okay, not equal to M, right? So we need to pick a bigger one. A not equal to B, so we pick the bigger one, but both 1, so we can pick either one. A equal to A, okay, now A equal to A, which means we need to pick the number from here. And it's 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, what's the number we get? It's 2. Now A comparing to D, Nico, okay, we pick a bigger number, it's 2. And A comparing M, okay, it's different, right? So now it's pick bigger number is 2. Now coming to the B. B not equal to M. So we need to pick this number because it's bigger. Now B equal to B, right? So now here we need to pick this number. We need to pick the diagonal cell. So it's 1, 1 plus 1. So if the both characters same, so we need to pick diagonal cell plus 1. So now here should be 2. Right? Now B not equal to A, right? So we need to put the 2. B not equal to D, we need 2. B not equal to M, right? We need to put the 2. Now come to last character. M equal to M, right? So now we need to pin this number, pin this diagonal cell by 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. So M not equal to B, right? It should be 2 because we need to pick a bigger one. Now M not equal to A, so we need to pick bigger one is 2. So B, okay, here D. Okay, D not equal to M, right? So we need to pick a bigger one is 2. And M equal to M, right? So now we need to pick the diagonal cell. It's 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So I would say the longest common subsequence string is 3. So we just return it. And then we got the length of the original string minus 3. We got the 2. So which means 2, we need to insert 2 steps to make S equal. To make S palindrome, right? Now start implement this one. Now first step we need to reverse distributor. Reverse toString, and then we need to new distributor, and then we need to insert x, and then we need to get n the length, and then we need to create a DP array. Now finally we need to n minus DP, the n and the n. Now let's go through the original string and the reverse string. Now we need to do comparing the both character, and then as I, oh 1 second, it's I minus 1 equal to I minus 1. If they are saying, we know we need to pick, here we need to pick the diagonal cell, right? Plus 1, and then else we need to pick we need to comparing which one is bigger. I minus j. Oh, sorry, here I forgot provide max dp in the dp I j minus 1. So I think, oh, here bj. No, let me double check. Okay, everything correct. Now let's run it. Okay. So you can see pass on the test case here. Now let's submit it. So let's see, the time capacity is b of n squared, because you can see it because here I have two for root, right? And then space capacity is b of n squared, because I create the DP array, it's 2D array, right? So that's why here tag n squared space. So thank you for watching this video.